Governu do banku ANZ asina memorandu entendimentu konaba programa formasaun, jestaun, kontabilidade e negosiu baziku.
Governo Timor-Leste lihusi vice-primeiro-ministro, ministro coordenador para assuntos sociais, ministro de desenvolvimento rural e habitação comunitária, Mariano Assanami Sabino, assina memorandu entendimentu do banku ANZ, konaba programa formação, gestão, contabilidade e negócio básico. Lihusi memorandu entendimentu ne banku ANZ se facilita a formação, gestão, contabilidade nian ba comunidade sira e área remotas.
So the purpose of the meeting was to sign a memorandum of understanding between ANZ and the two ministries for the provision of money-minded financial literacy services to the ministry. So that was the purpose of the meeting, and it was to talk about the program, to talk about the reasons behind it. We talk about the benefits of it. Talk about why the money-minded program is so important, to talk about how we deliver it, and we go out in the communities making sure everyone is aware. And we've done 12,000 participants so far through this program. We did 3,900 participants last year. We're going to do over 4,000 for next year coming. So it's a very important program that ANZ can deliver and hopefully has benefits for individuals and communities, particularly those communities out in the rural areas.
Memorandu entendimentu ne selau durante tinantolo. Noi hetinang kotok banku ANZ mos facilitam na formação by uma basic rihun tolo resin no tuir plano se aumenta tanto rihun hat. Durante a existência banku ANZ e Timor-Leste foi na contribuição oioin ba processo de desenvolvimento economia railaran lihusi formação no seluktan. Bem-vinda Ximenes, adérito Ximenes, GMN.